For some people, yoga is a way of life. Today I'm going to cover celebs who swear by yoga. Let's get into the video. Number 10, Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba is a stunningly beautiful actress with a very toned and fit physique to match. One of the reasons why she looks so good physically is the fact that she leans on yoga as one of her main methods of exercise. She knows that yoga really does its job when it comes to stretching one's body out and helping one burn calories.
Energy, it just sets a good foundation for the day. Being healthy and strong helps me feel confident and beautiful.
Number 9, Alessandra Ambrosio. Alessandra Ambrosio talked about yoga openly and honestly when she said, "When I want to relax and get some nice stretch and open up my body, I do yoga. If I'm traveling, I'll try to always fit in 10 minutes when I wake up." The lovely Victoria's Secret model clearly knows what she is talking about when it comes to yoga. Only women who have a certain type of physical figure are able to become models for Victoria's Secret. Number 8, Jennifer Aniston. Jennifer Aniston's opinion on yoga is amazing. It is a method of exercise that she definitely swears by. She told E! News, yoga kind of helps you prepare for everything, honestly. It's like meditation. It sort of just allows anything that's coming at you at the end of the day to be kind of doable. There is something very freeing and relaxing about yoga, and it is definitely comparable to meditation. When one does yoga, it is an awesome time for them to also mix in meditation if they choose to do that.
3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and step the left leg back. So reach the arms up. We're coming into a crescent lunge. So this is the yoga pose. You want to make sure the knee is tracking directly over.
Number 7, Matthew McConaughey. Matthew McConaughey has been spotted by paparazzi doing yoga on the beach in the past, which lets us know that yoga is a method of exercise that he has learned from the past. Matthew McConaughey has an awesome physique, and he clearly knows what it takes to keep himself healthy and strong. Exercise is such an important factor in maintaining one's health, especially once you start to get older. If Matthew McConaughey swears by yoga, then there must be something to it. Number 6, David Beckham. David Beckham, known for being a very talented athlete in the sport of soccer. Knowing how athletic he is speaks volumes when it comes to his interest in yoga. Some athletes prefer to use weightlifting and cardio as their main forms of exercise, but for David Beckham, yoga is something he incorporates in his workouts. There is something so much different and freeing about yoga in comparison to weightlifting or cardio. Number 4, Jessica Biel. Jessica Biel is an amazing actress, and she is also married to Justin Timberlake. She revealed, "Yoga for me is more of an elongating thing." What she most likely means by that is the fact that when a person does yoga, they are stretching out different parts of their body in ways that they most likely haven't done before. It definitely leads to elongation. Jessica Biel also revealed that she enjoys doing yoga a few times a week. Number 4, Russell Brand. Russell Brand was quoted by The Sun saying, "I'm dedicating myself to all sorts of interesting things, you know? Transcendental meditation, Kundalini yoga, these things are perfect for the good spirit." Russell Brand used to be married to Katy Perry, but these days he is no longer romantically connected to her. Yoga definitely is a transcendental experience that in some ways helps people let go of the past. His focus on yoga seems to be helping him improve in so many ways, physically and mentally. Number 3, Kate Hudson. Fitness and Kate Hudson go hand in hand. She even started her own fitness brand called Fabletics that sells comfortable and fashionable fitness clothing to people who are trying to step up their game in the gym. That being said, it should be no surprise at all that Kate Hudson is interested in yoga and all that it has to offer. After all, yoga really does have a lot to offer. Number 2, Tom Hanks. According to People magazine, Tom Hanks said, "I started doing the yoga. It's the greatest thing you can ever do." His words speak volumes. Yoga may not be for everyone, but it definitely is a great thing for people to try to be at least one time. If people are willing to give you a chance at least one time, they might notice how life-changing it really can be. It expands the body and the brain in such a beautiful and majestic way. Number 1, Russell Simmons. Russell Simmons is another celebrity who totally swears by yoga. He has a lot of respect for in terms of the mind. He said, "The beauty of the practice of yoga is that it teaches you how to take those precious seconds of stillness and lengthen them from seconds to minutes to a lifetime of enlightenment. Anything that leads to enlightenment should be taken a bit more seriously. The pursuit of enlightenment has been equated to the pursuit of happiness." This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.